Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify content decay with Ahrefs Content Explorer, detailed guide step by step clearly. Launch Ahrefs and log into your account. Navigate to the Content Explorer tool from the dashboard. In the search bar, enter a relevant topic or keyword you want to analyze. Set the filter to Since Last Updated to focus on recent content. Use the date range options to select content published within a specific time frame. Consider adjusting the word count filter to target articles of a particular length. Sort the results by organic traffic or referring domains to gauge popularity. Click on the headers to sort the data for deeper insights. Look for content with declining or low organic traffic over time. Select individual articles to view additional metrics, like backlinks and social shares. Examine the traffic trends to identify content decay patterns. Analyze the quality of backlinks to determine the relevance and authority of the content. Review the content's word count and overall readability. Check for updates or other trends in the industry that may have influenced performance. Take notes on common characteristics of decaying content. Compile your findings to inform your content strategy. Plan updates or optimizations for articles showing signs of decay. Implement changes based on your analysis to improve organic performance. Regularly revisit the Content Explorer to assess the effectiveness of your optimizations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.